Hi everyone and welcome back. In this video, I'm going to show you how to make this origami inspired paper lantern. It looks complicated to make, but it's surprisingly simple once you master the folds. All you need is just paper, glue, and a bit of folding patience. You can put it on your desk, or you can also hang it, just like this. Just combine two pieces of cardboard strips and tie a string. Or you may also watch my other Japanese lantern video tutorial to make this part. So if you like this craft, I'd really appreciate if you could give this video a like and hit that subscribe button to join our crafty community. So let's get creative, shall we? To begin, grab 4 pieces of card paper. I'm using here a 160 GSM embossed card. Before making the accordion folds, I usually fold the paper in the middle first to make the crease to ensure the folds are all the same for all the 4 pieces of paper. Now follow the guide and fold it up. For best results, I recommend using a thinner or a lightweight cardstock paper. It makes the folding process much easier and helps the intricate creases stay sharp. Plus, thinner paper allows more light to pass through, making your lantern shine much brighter when lit. Follow the same folding pattern for the other 3 sheets so they match up exactly. Now measure and mark 9 cm on each folded paper. Grab one of the folded paper, gather the pleats firmly together, and fold it right before the line to create an L bend. Repeat the same steps for all the 3 other folds. Make sure to follow the line and all the bends are uniform. You can section the folds to make good crease, so it will be easier to make the diamond accordion folds. Notice the arrowhead crease shape that was just created? This is our guide. Use the tip of your fingers to press and fold on the arrowhead. For the zigzag to pop out, alternate the direction of these diagonal folds. Pinch inward for the mountain fold and push outward for the valley folds. Continue making the diagonal folds for each section and ensure that all arrowheads are at the same level as you work your way across the paper. Once finished, gather the entire stack into a bundle. Give it a firm press to train the paper. Make sure that the pattern pops out perfectly when we open it. Follow the same folding pattern for the rest of the paper. Once you have all the 4 stacks pressed and ready, we'll be able to join them together. Add glue to the side of a folded piece. Then take another piece and align the arrowhead crease so the patterns match up exactly and the patterns flow continuously. Now let's make small triangle folds at the bottom part to create small triangle creases across the whole stack. Push the small triangle crease inward, then press along the diagonal lines to tuck the triangle into the fold. Do this across the whole sheet. Apply glue and connect the ends together. Be sure to align the folds so that the diamond pattern stays seamless. Once it's secure, you'll see the beautiful 3D pattern takes its shape. For the lantern's base, grab a paper bowl. Check out the size of the paper bowl here. To add some glow, grab a small LED candle and trace it around the bottom of the bowl. Draw intersecting lines on the circle and use a craft knife to make slits. Push the slits outward and insert the LED candle. Now apply glue around the sides of the paper bowl. We can now attach the lantern to the base.
And there you have it. Our very own origami paper lantern is ready. If you made one of these, I'd really love to hear how it turned out. So please let me know in the comments below. Thanks again for watching and I'll see you next craft. Bye!